we can give the kind of individual service that would be maybe more difficult to get in a cosmopolitan setting.
Clothes are very personal, right? We want people to like them when we make them. We want them to fit well. It's one thing if you're making one, it's another thing if you're making 100 or 1,000. You don't want 1,000 garments that don't fit well.
It brings Meg DeKubelis from RISD and an amazingly technically trained staff of masters in the industry. People don't understand how technical apparel manufacturing is. It's a technical sport, and you need people that know how to play the game really well, or you're going to spend a couple $1,000 making a t-shirt pattern.
And I've been working with Meg and Accurate Services for about 3 years. I had an idea for a product. I wanted a waterproof side of a towel so that I could go to the beach at low tide and not get wet.
You can make a pattern for anything, and you can cut and stitch it up. But can you make more than one? Like, how do you make more than one, and how do you make money at it? Whereas here, you've got enough, like Beth was saying, enough guts in the fabric.
Yeah. Because my process is so intense and varied, I get to turn to Accurate Services to help me with the pieces that I'm not so good at. So basically, I get to design the piece, and then I can turn to Accurate for help with the technological side.
The two pieces are so different.
So basically, I can focus on the art now. I can make the original garment, which I love so much, and then I can give it to Accurate, and they'll digitize it for me. They'll make a better sample, and then they can take me through the whole production process from start to finish. They cut it, they sew it, they give it to me, and then I've got this beautiful garment that's way better than anything I could have made in-house with my machine.
It's just super complimentary of the female form. So actually, and some guys have bought these too.
Enough that it fits over your customer's body.
A lot of mills won't kind of take up-and-coming designers, but the women and men here really want to take a chance on a young designer and work with them to help perfect designs and really take it to the next level.
Small runs work out well for us. And we may charge a little more for the small run, but the investment of the customer is less. And certainly if you're making something new and you could make half of it and see if it works, wouldn't that be a better situation?